Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. So excited to be bringing you today's video. As we get closer to the holiday season, my videos are mostly going to be items I'm making for my craft show that you can make as well, also for Christmas gifts. So this project today is called a Christmas movie watching kit. I'm showing you a completed one here, and then we're going to put one together. So I ordered these vinyl clear plastic bags with a little snap and a handle from Amazon. I am going to break down the cost for you at the end of the video. So working in reverse, we've got some red and white paper shred on top. We have a packet of microwave popcorn that I've just wrapped with some Christmas scrapbook paper to make it decorative. We have 2 packets of Swiss Miss cocoa. We have a mini packet of tissue because, especially if you're watching a Hallmark movie, you're going to maybe need some tissues. And a pair of some cozy socks wrapped up in some jute twine here to keep them concise in our package. I also have a little plastic bag that has 2 Ghirardelli chocolates. I've got about 5 of these soft peppermints from Brock's, and then a little bit more of the paper shred in the bottom of the bag. And I'll talk to you about the decorative items when we put one together here. So let's quickly get these items back inside our bag. Our socks, our popcorn, our cocoa, our tissues, our chocolate, our peppermints, and our paper shred. Now here on the outside, you can see I did add a small bow, one of these little ornaments from Dollar Tree, and a tag that I got on Etsy. I will put the link in the description. All right, so these bags, like I said, I got from Amazon. I will put the link in the description for anything that I can. These measured about 3 inches by 9 by 6, and it probably would have stood okay, but I decided to cut a little piece of chipboard at about 2 1/4 by 5 1/2 just to put in the bottom to give it a little bit more stability. This is an optional step. Now, I had some red and white shred in my stash from past craft show projects, so I'm just going to put a small little handful of each color in the bottom just to add some decoration. My idea for these is that these would be a quick and easy gift that someone could pick up at the craft show to give to a friend, either as is or possibly even add a gift card to rent a movie. All right, next, I did get all of my socks at Dollar Tree. Some of them had where you could tear off the price part, but I'm not too worried about it. And I purposely decided to not get Christmas socks. I just got the ones they had like in their winter wear so that these socks could be worn, any time of year. So I got some really pretty Christmas socks. I'm just rolling them kind of as tight as I can. And then I'm going to tie these with a piece of jute twine. I did go ahead and tie those in a double knot and then trim off the excess. I'm going to stick these in the bag. They're pretty much going to take up the whole right-hand side there of our bag. Now, for the popcorn, I took a piece of 12 by 12 Christmas scrapbook paper, and I am going to trim this down. I was going to do 5 1/2, but I actually am going to trim it to 5 inches. And then I did also trim 1 inch off the length. So I'm going to take a piece that's 5 by 11, and I am going to wrap this around the microwave popcorn. This is just a small thing you can do just to add to that decorative touch, make this look more like a gift. So you can see I'm just going to kind of bend it around lining it up on either side so that it overlaps evenly. Then I'm just going to add a strip of adhesive here to one end, wrap that one around, attach it to the plastic, and then do the same thing on the other side. So that is the next item we're going to add kind of in the back over to the left side a little bit to give some stability to our bag. Then I decided to put in 2 packets of Swiss Miss hot chocolate. I did get mine at Dollar Tree where you get 6 packets for $1.25. Then I got my little tissues at Dollar Tree as well. We're going to add those in. Now, this is an extra step. You don't have to do this, but I kind of wanted to keep the chocolate kind of separate and keep it, I don't know, from getting other things, possibly the smell of other things onto the chocolate. So I had these little plastic resealable envelopes. So I'm just going to tuck 2 of those in there, and then those are going to go in the front of the tissues. Next, we're going to add about a small handful, about 5 of these soft puff peppermints to the top of our bag. Then just a little bit more of the red and white paper shred. Once we've got that all tucked down in there, we'll go ahead and snap our little bag. Isn't it so cute? Okay, now this tag I paid 99 cents for on Etsy, and then I just printed them out. I cut a piece of green cardstock to be just a little bit larger than the tag. And I'm going to take some adhesive runner here, and I'm going to put it on the back of the tag again that I printed out from Etsy. I will put the link in the description. And I'm just going to mat this on the green cardstock just to give it a little more decoration. Then, because I'm attaching this to the outside of the vinyl bag, I am going to use a stronger adhesive. This is score tape. This is 1/4 inch score tape. And I'm just going to go around the perimeter here of the back of this green cardstock, and then one little piece in the middle. We'll burnish that down, and then once we peel off the backing, we will stick this onto the front of our bag. Now you can do any number of things you want to decorate your package even more. I'm going to take, I had these in my stash from last year, but I did see them again this year. They're these little Christmas ornament tags, and they were 6 on here for $1.25. I am going to attach one of these to the handle to my bag, and then I'm also going to make a bow to attach to the front as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm untying the knot on the ornament so that I can retie it on the handle of the bag and make it a little bit shorter. Now taking this wired ribbon I got at Walmart for $1.98, I believe I'm going to be able to make about 8 ribbons or bows out of this. I'm just overlapping, making a really simple bow. And then I'm going to tie it in the center with some red and white baker's twine. And we're going to add this to the front of our bag as well. I am going to hot glue it to kind of the base of the handle, right where that tag is hanging down. So that is really all there is to it. Of course, you could add different things to your bag, but what I want to do now is kind of break down the cost. So I got 24 of those plastic bags for $15.95, which makes each bag about 67 cents. The socks, like I said, I got at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Next, the popcorn. I got a big box at my grocery store. I believe it was $8.39 for 18 of those, which is about 50 cents. The cocoa I said was from Dollar Tree, which was $1.25. I'm going to divide that by 3 because I put 2 packets in each container, so that was 42 cents. Here I'm calculating my popcorn. Okay, it wasn't 50 cents. It was actually 47 cents. What else? We have the candies. So the chocolate candy and the peppermints. That Ghirardelli chocolate's expensive, so I put the candy at about $1. My Kleenex, again, those were $1.25 for 8 packets, which put each packet at about 16 cents. The ribbon, like I said, was $1.98, and I was able to get about 8 bows, so about 25 cents per bow. And then my ornament was 21 cents because that again was $1.25 divided by 6. So just trying to calculate as close I can the cost here. So now I'm going to add all these up. I'm going to move my phone over so you can see. All right, and we're just going to tally up the cost to put each of these bags together. Now, I did not include the shred because I already had that. I did not include the 99 cents to purchase the Etsy label because I'm going to have that and be able to use it. So I came up with about $4.43, round it to about $4.50. And usually I triple the cost of my supplies to come up with the price for my item, which would be $13.50. I think, however, I'm going to price these at $12 for my craft show. I'd love to know what you guys think of this project. Let me know if you think that's a fair price. And also let me know if you guys want to see more Christmas gift ideas / craft show ideas. Thanks so much, everyone, and take care. We'll see you next time.